What's up, guys? Female Outdoors here.
What's going on, you guys? B-Mill Outdoors here, and today I'm going to be taking you with me on my trip down to Fossil Creek. We went backpacking and got to stop and swim at the awesome waterfall spot. It was definitely a crazy experience, so without further ado, let's get right into the video.
We're on the trail. That's B-Mill. This is Jay Fox, and we got M Greenlee back there. And we're currently in Fossil Creek, Strawberry, Arizona, on the way to Fossil Creek. Hike's going pretty good. Haven't seen a black bear, but if we do, I will kill it and show it to you guys. Yeah, hike's about 35 miles in, about 13,000 elevation gain. This is mile 1, feeling pretty good. See y'all at camp.
Made it to the creek. Jack is struggling right now.
Yeah.
Show him the pack, man. Show him the pack. This guy buys a $3 Temu pack.
Hey, $3.98.
$3.98 Temu pack, and then wonders why one of the straps break, bro.
All right, Bryson, where are we?
B-Mill Outdoors, man. We at the Fossil Creek. It's called some Fossil something, man. And we got a beautiful waterfall behind us.
Going in a swim. Not supposed to swim.
Yeah, I mean, I'm in the sun, so you know that's how it's a pretty cool place, man. I'm never in the sun. Oh man, I did the like cartoon like slip. Man, we gotta go into the waterfall. It's like, hey,
Yep. Let's go.
What are you doing?
I'm going.
Oh, I'll put it in my pocket.
it is freezing.
Crazy. Yeah.
What's up, vlog? It's getting romantic in here.
Yeah.
3 dudes, 1 little cave. Hey, hey! Oh. This is rolling. I can't tell if I'm shaking too much or if he's shaking.
I'm shaking a lot, but
Hey, come on.
Alright, I'll hold the camera, man. I'm not shaking.
dude, the cold water is making
I'm taking it under. I'm just dude. I'm like not even that cold right now. Here, I'll take it under.
yours.
Hey, jump off. Doing the jump. Let's go. Yeah. 3, 2, 1. Oh, he did the flip. The flip is crazy. I'm kind of scared. I'm not gonna lie. We're going in.
We're here at the underwater cave. Cave in there. Water is about 60 degrees.
That's about 60 feet deep.
It does go about 20 feet deep.
Yeah, let's go to the bottom. Let's go to the bottom.
Alright, we're going to the bottom.
Just let all your
Careful.
We're like inches away from his head, bro.
Yeah.
Just got done swimming. We got Jack fixing his pack. He broke. I think we're gonna go check out that giant little mountain thing up there, up over the waterfall. See if we get a good camping spot up there. No idea if that's even a good idea or not, but if you see this video, that means that we attempted and survived. So we'll see.
Doesn't feel crazy.
Just made it up the craziest trek. Definitely not supposed to be here. Probably not. I don't know. Gotta set up camp and get some food and water in us. Got a camp set up. We did not end up camping up in that spot. We got Jack eating peanut butter, and the only peanut butter for today.
Straight peanut butter.
Straight peanut butter.
Low budget calories right here.
Not a bad little spot. Guys, unfortunately, that is the end of the video. We were just having such a great time in the moment, and I really didn't want to ruin it at all by just whipping out the camera every 5 seconds. But it was a really great trip. It's probably one of the best backpacking trips I've been on. Fossil Creek is such a beautiful place. The waterfall and everything, as you could see, was just crystal clear. It was stunning. Highly recommend anyone check this out. You do need a permit, unfortunately, April through October, and there is no camping permitted through those months. But if you went, we went the end of March, you're actually able to get in for free, no permit required, and you could camp there. So definitely would recommend going then, but check it out anytime you can. But yeah, if you guys did like the video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and share it with someone you're wanting to go backpacking with. I had a lot of fun making this video. It was really fun to pull out the GoPro and just record some swimming and some fish and all that. It was such a fun time. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.